Welcome. In front of me I've got OMODA 5 EV. In this video I'll show you all safety systems installed in this car. We are going to talk about airbags, driver assistance, cruise control, ISOFIX, and systems like lane departure warning system, blind spot monitoring, and more. Follow me in this video to learn best information about your OMODA. Nowadays cars imported from China like OMODA are loaded with safety systems like those I said in the beginning of the video. Thanks to the price, the OMODA is very good option if you want to buy safe car. Often it's cheaper, around $30,000-$40,000 than competitors, but it has same or more safety system installed in the one tier level. Follow me in this video to learn how to manage your safety systems. Let's start with airbags. In the base stream, OMODA 5 EV has 6 airbags. Standard 2 front airbags, 2 side airbags, and 2 curtain airbags. In some trims and on some markets, you can also find 7th airbag for driver knees. Next thing is the ISOFIX. OMODA 5 EV has 2 ISOFIX latches installed on 2 outer seats in the rear row. So, these are the basics. Now let's start with the safety systems. Take a look at the main screen. Right here on the main screen, we can find dedicated vehicle settings menu. Enter it. And here in the vehicle settings, we can set up security alarm, enable automatic lock, enable unlock driver door only, manage maintenance, and enable forgotten phone reminder. But if you go to driver assistance, here you can manage all of the safety of this car. Firstly, we've got the intelligent cruise assist, the activation reminder, thanks to which when your car stops using the cruise assist, it will remind you about it. Next, we've got the drive away information. Thanks to this function, if you are staying on the traffic stop or traffic lights, when the car in front of you drives away, your car will notify you about it in case you are not paying attention. If the speed limit assist is disabled, you can enable overspeed alert. Next, we can find intelligent speed control system and intelligent high beam assistant. Intelligent speed control system continuously monitors the vehicle's speed. When adaptive cruise control is active and the vehicle is driving faster or significantly slower than the current road speed limit allows, the instrument cluster will show pop-up window that reminds the driver to drive according to speed. Next, we can find intelligent avoidance system, thanks to which your car will automatically detect, for example, truck or big bus, and if it's too close to this vehicle, it will slightly move the steering wheel, like this, to avoid scratching your paint. Then we can find forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane departure prevention, which are related, emergency lane keeping, door opening warning, blind spot detection, rear collision warning, driver monitoring system alert, rear cross traffic assist, brake sensation linked to driving mode, and brake pitch control. Apart those system settings, we can also enable headlight delay and we can enable head-up display. On the head-up display, as you can see on this icon, you can find road sign assistant, your current speed, navigation info. Next, take a look at the steering wheel. Right here we can quickly enable speed limiter and steering assist with adaptive cruise control. Right here we can also find voice assistant, thanks to which we can manage our smartphone, phone calls and navigation. And here's fun fact.
You can tell me.
Open the window.
Okay.
Voice assistant can open and close windows. Let's go back to the screen, because there is also a set of settings we can adapt to our key. So, right here, if you go to Vehicle Settings and Smart Key, you can enable Unlock when approaching and Lock when leaving, Welcome when approaching, and turn on Smart Key Sensing Tailgate, thanks to which your car will sense the key fob and will automatically lock and unlock the car. While we are here, let's also check Quick Control. In the Quick Control, you can quickly change drive mode between Eco, Normal, Sport, and you can enable child lock for windows and lock all the doors or unlock them. There's one hidden menu we can also find, Control Center. Right here, you can quickly disable driver monitoring system, speed limit alert, and you can activate auto hold. In the end, you can disable traction control or enable it back. And if you extend this menu, you can also find hill descent control. As you can see, this car is loaded with the safety features. And last but not least, let's go to Around View Monitor. Around View Monitor is a set of the cameras we can manage in our car. Basically, we can check every angle of the car. This is very useful in tight spot or while turning. As you can see, OMODA 5 EV has plenty of safety features that you can't find in the similar price European car. Let us know in the comments if you would like to buy this car and if all those safety features are useful for you. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.